We're going to be putting in a couple raised beds that we bought from Lowe's. They're really kind of cool. They're easy to put together. So we decided to go ahead and buy a couple of these beds. And we're going to show you how we've gone about doing that in our backyard. Today, also, we're going to be going to an organic farm and we're going to be buying our plants. So you can tag along with us and see what that's like. We decided that this area over here, we're going to expand it for growing because we like to grow vegetables. So we went over to Lowe's yesterday and we got all the materials that we're going to need to make the raised beds. So they sell these bricks. Um, these are for the corners, and you'll put the boards where these slots are, so it makes it really easy to assemble the bed. We also have to, this area here is a little bit on a slope, so we're going to have to put soil down to kind of straighten out or level the ground. So we did buy some topsoil for that. We got these bars. I don't know what they're for. What are they for?
Those are for structural support. You
Oh,
have to
they
run
go
those
into
through
these
here.
little slots right here. It'll support the whole structure.
And we also didn't want to use pressure treated wood because of
Oh, we
chemicals
don't
used.
use pressure treated wood because we don't like the chemicals that could potentially leach out into the soil. Um, so, and also, I don't know what that's
SP
for.
gravel that you put over to help float the wood.
Okay,
Otherwise it sinks into the mud.
so that's what the pea gravel's for. So we're gonna get started on this, and basically that's what we're gonna be watching today. Okay, so we have our first raised bed almost complete. The only thing that we don't have done on this one is the seating wood that's going to go all the way around. I don't know if it should go on this side, but at least on this side, we put wood on the bottom so we don't have to fill it with so much soil. And also we lined it with mesh wire. This is going to help keep out gophers. So this is the first one. We're going to have another one on this side going straight across, like parallel with this bed. And then, so we're going to start working on that one in a little bit. So that's where we're at right now. We just put in these two new grow beds. Actually, we're still working on one. We're lining it with some mesh material so the gophers can't get through on it. But there was some grass in the middle of these two beds that we put down, and we just covered it with cardboard and some cedar chips. So that's would make a good walkway between the two beds. This one, we just got to get a little bit more dirt in it. And this bush behind here, this peony bush, I am going to be cutting back away from it, cutting it away from the bed once the flowers bloom, and so that it won't overhang on the bed. So this is our little grow area. We just put this in, and see in the back there's still a little grow area in the corner where our onions are. We're going to put some other things back there too. That's my old grow area, but this is new here. Again, we're still working on this one. And then here, these are our little grow boxes. They're off to the left of the bed, and we're going to put our like herbs in here. So you just unzip it. We've made a little screen so that we can keep the squirrels out. But there's we just put a little new soil in there, and so we're going to be using that and getting stuff planted in there pretty soon. So this is our little grow area. I just think it looks really cute. This is right off my deck, by the way. So this is kind of a creative way that you can take any kind of a yard, even a small yard, and make it into a little urban garden, and grow your own food. So um, yeah, that's what we're working on now. And we'll update you when we're finally finished. We were really busy today. We finished these beds off. We got all the dirt in. We had to get a yard of dirt bulk and we just shoveled it in. It was very hard to do. Um, and so basically that's it. I mean, I think it really turned out nicely. And this corner looks really cute with my little picket fence. We're pulling up to the organic farm right now. We're going to take a look at the plants. My phone keeps ringing. Goodbye.
I just don't want these things falling over. You guys put it in here?
Yeah. Oh, the ducks.
Good?
Yep. We love going to the organic farm. So we had, oh, my dog is barking. The neighborhood's here. We had a really long day today. We took a long ride, went over to the organic farm, bought our plants, put some of them in, and on our next video, we're going to go over all of our plants and what we bought and where we put them.